All right, crypto farmers, let's talk yield farming on Ton. Think of it as planting your crypto seeds in different DeFi projects and harvesting extra tokens as rewards. It's like getting paid in apples for growing apples. Here's a juicy opportunity on Ston.fi. 1. Head to Ston.fi and connect your Ton wallet. 2. Look for the liquidity pools section. 3. We'll use the Ton USDT pool as an example. Current numbers, APR, a solid 56.78%. Your investment, let's say $1,000 in Ton USDT LP tokens. Potential annual earnings, $767.89. Monthly harvest, about $47.32. Here's how to plant your crypto seeds. 1. Provide liquidity to the Ton USDT pool, like we learned earlier. 2. Go to the liquidity pools section. 3. Find the Ton USDT pool. 4. Click Add Liquidity and enter your amount. 5. Confirm the transaction and start farming. But remember, farmers, high yields often mean high risks. Some pools can experience impermanent loss. It's like crop-eating insects for your crypto farm. Pro tip, harvest your rewards regularly. It's like picking your fruits before they spoil. Lending on Ton-based platforms. Next up, lending. This is where you become the bank minus the suit and tie. You lend your crypto, others borrow it, and you earn interest. Simple, right? Let's check out Evaa Finance for this. 1. Connect your Ton wallet to Evaa Finance. 2. Navigate to the Lend section. 3. Choose your asset. Let's say Ton. Current stats. Lending APY for Ton. Around 6.5%, example. Please check the platform for current rates. Your loan. $1,000 worth of Ton. Potential annual earnings. $65. Monthly interest. About 5.42. Here's how to be a crypto banker. 1. Go to the dashboard section on Evaa Finance. 2. Enter the amount of Ton you want to lend. 3. Click Supply and confirm the transaction. 4. Watch your interest grow. The cool part? Your interest compounds automatically. It's like your money is making babies, and those babies are making more babies. But heads up, there are risks. If too many people borrow, you might not be able to withdraw immediately. If the platform gets hacked, your funds could be at risk. To play it safe, 1. Start with a small amount. 2. Diversify across different platforms. 3. Always check the platform's security measures. Remember, in DeFi, you're the bank, the customer, and the regulator. With great power comes great responsibility and potentially great rewards. Conclusion. And there you have it, Ton enthusiasts. We've explored powerful ways to put your Ton to work: liquidity provision, yield farming, and lending on Evaa Finance. Each has its own risk-reward profile, so choose what fits your style. Always remember, in DeFi, if the rewards look too good to be true, double-check everything. Start small, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.